Okay, what is your name?
My name is Thảo.
Okay, and how can I call you?
Yes.
How? How, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready for the speaking part 1?
Okay.
Okay, next. Do you like cooking?
Yes. No.
No. Okay. And how often do you eat at your restaurant? Do you eat at the restaurant always?
Yes, I always eat restaurant.
Okay. Which do you prefer, sweet or spicy food?
I prefer eat spicy food.
Okay. Do you like to try other foods?
No.
Like for example, Italian food, do you like to try?
No, I only noodles.
Okay. And what's your favorite meal of the day? Is it breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Dinner.
Dinner. Okay. That's it for our part 1. Now let's go to our part 2.
Okay.
Okay, for the part 2, I will give you 1 minute to prepare.
Okay.
Take down notes here. And then after 1 minute,
Okay.
you have 2 minutes to speak. Okay. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, let's start. Your 1 minute is up. Now your 2 minutes to speak. Start now.
Speak.
Don't read. You can say it, you can look from time to time, but don't read like this. Just speak. You can. Okay. Ready? Your 2 minutes starts now.
Okay. My best food is kimchi. Kimchi is soup base. It's a very dessert and good. It's made by rice and fish and vegetable. I often eat soup fish when I go hometown. People eat when they eat breakfast. People eat when they eat breakfast. Soup fish is the best because it's easy to eat.
Okay. Why do you think that dish is the best? Why?
What?
Why that dish is the best?
Soup fish is the best because it's dessert and very good.
Okay. Is it healthy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Is it easy to cook at home?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to add?
No.
Okay. So that's it for our speaking tests. Thank you so much.
Okay.